In this tutorial, you will learn about event dispatchers. In this example, we will see how when I hit the F key on my keyboard, this player is bound to send a message to these three blueprints. So this one is deleted, this one sets a material, and this prints a message. So we have three different blueprints listening to my character. So now F on my keyboard, and I can use this in my level for many more things. Let's start out with our character. Go to the event graph, and you can see your event dispatcher, and let's create one, for example, test 1. And whenever we hit F on our keyboard, we can drag this out and then call that one. So everything in our level that is listening to this will be called, and everything can do its own thing. So for example, the cone in here, we need to bind this from the begin play. So let's cast to this third person character, which is our player. And from there, we can look for this test 1, and then we can call test 1. But when we want to do something, now we can assign something to it. So you can give this a name. And let's say we want to destroy this actor. And the target is from here. So these red dots in here can be connected to the event dispatchers. So this one will be destroyed. The cube, I also set the same thing up. Let's look again for test 1. We can bind an event. You can also right click and create a custom event. And then connect these pins to this. So, and then we can set the material of the cube. So this is something completely different. Let's choose something like this, which is way different. And also don't forget to connect the target again. And now this will compile. And the sphere, for example, can have also something completely different. Let's choose the sign because this will do this in one go. And let's print here. So drag from this and then print string. And we'll say hello. And don't forget the target. So what will happen now, when I hit the F on the keyboard, every blueprint listening to my message will do something different. So the cone will be destroyed, the cube will set the material, and the sphere will print something on our screen. So now I hit play, I'm going to hit the F key, 3, 2, 1. Top left, we can see the hello message from the sphere. The cone is deleted, and this cube has a different material. And this is the basics of how you can use event dispatchers, and you can use it in your level as well. For example, the player dies, you get a menu screen, something happens to the other characters, and so on and so forth. So have fun with this one.